you guys, and welcome to my channel, and it is Stash Smash Saturday. It's also Simple Stories Saturday, so I'm combining the two because I was a loser and totally wrote down the wrong day for Simple Stories and didn't get to work on this until now. So they're gonna be combined, which is fine. I'm doing these two photos of my son looking so cute in his little cub shirt, which I'm pretty sure was his dad's, and then also his dad's hat, and he just looks adorable. So we're gonna do those two photos, and I have a Simple Stories line from the scrap room that I'm gonna play with. It is Simple Stories America the Beautiful. I have a white frame already cut out, so I guess we could do a dark background. Not sure which, but we'll do something. We'll figure something. Ooh, that might be fun. But what I did last time, after my last video, since I used those hexagons, I punched the rest of them out, and I created some glittery, shiny hexagons with my sequins. So I have all these little hexagons that I have glued sequins to. This one I'm going to add some to, I think. That I want to use on a layout, and I thought this would be a really good one. And then we have just a bunch of extra sequins that are, some are glued together, some are not, so we'll see how that pans out. But yeah, I might add a few extra sequins to like this one, just to make it a little more sequiny. But all I did when I did that was put glue all over the chipboard and then squish it into the pile of sequins. That's it. That's all I did. So nothing too mind-bending. But yeah, I wanted to play with this sequin mix, and I wanted to play with my hexagons. So I just thought, let's give her a go. So I'm just going to add a few more sequins. And this is what I did too to some of them, like where the sequins didn't stick as well. I just kind of put a few more on. So I'll let that dry. So I want to play with those. So then I've got my sequins and my hexagons taken care of. So then I just need to work with some of my other items. So either a older cut file, I need to put 3 mats on my photo, which definitely I will be doing. A stamped title, doodly lines, and pocket cards. So let's see. I might have some pocket cards in this little Simple Stories line because I did get this as a scrap room kit. So I have some blue cardstock. I've got these lovely papers. I don't have any pocket cards left. Oh, I have one. Maybe we'll use it. We'll see. I have no idea what I want to do for a design yet. No clue. It's not necessarily gonna be this is like crazy busy. But if I play with those and put hexagons on them, it could work. So that could work. Play with that paper, maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and get my photo matted and figure out what I'm gonna do with pocket cards or other things, and I'll check back in with you. Be right back. All right, I've gone into my stash and found this cut file I got from January 2021 Creative Cuts Club, I think. I will link down below where you can get it, if at all. And I was thinking about incorporating this, but it's gonna get kind of lost on this busy background. So I only want to use little bits of it. So we're going to cut it apart and put it in little clusters. I decided to use the hexagon sequins next week because I'm going to be using the same collection. I'm not going to be completing it today. So we're we're going to use them next week. I have an idea for next week. It just was too busy on here. But this is how I want to arrange these. And I have stickers that match these. So I'm going to pop the stickers up where they match, and then we'll put sequins around as well. So we will not be doing cut file, or no, we will not be doing doodly lines and hexagons, but I will stamp a title, which I think I'm just gonna say All American and All American Boy, maybe, I'm not sure. And then we'll create little clusters with the stars and the sequins and the stickers and all that jazz. So I don't think I have the word American, so I have to type or stamp all of that. I don't even know if I have the word boy. I think that's the one set I don't have from LA Studio, the title builder. I think it's volume 2, and I don't have that, and there's boy and girl on there. Yeah. So I will be stamping that. I don't see any of those words on here. And of course my sticker sheet says America, the beautiful, not American. So I think we'll be doing the Heidi swap letters, and I'll stamp the outsides, and then I might color the insides in. That's what I was thinking about doing. Or maybe I'll just do them on white and then we'll cut them out. I don't know. But I'm going to get to stamping that title, and then I'm going to cut these things apart. I kind of want to just fit my title right here. And yeah, so let me get stamping, and I'll show you all the letters when I'm all done. All right, I got my letters all stamped for All American Boy, and I just need to fussy cut them out. I'm going to take a pen blade and cut out all the centers first, because it's a lot easier to do when you have something to hold on to. I colored them all in. It was supposed to be like an aqua minty color. I didn't really have, I could have used ink, I guess, but I just colored them with a light blue just so they stood out a little bit more. And then I'll fussy cut them out, and we'll arrange them along with the stars and the sequins and the stickers of the banners, and we'll just go from there. All right, I will get to doing that. Okay, this is what I've got done so far. I just haven't done this little cluster. I backed my stars with vellum because they were kind of getting hidden when I put them on this busy background. I popped all these stickers up on foam. I glued my title down, and so now we're just gonna, I didn't necessarily do it, the stickers are actually slightly different than the background. Like this one has a gold star. There are no gold stars on the background, so I just picked where it looked close enough to being the same thing. Got one big star for this corner, so that's all just cut off of that cut file. I really like that. I don't have much to say about these photos except for maybe the date, because there's nothing special except for he just looks cute. So I'll do something about that, but that's about it. So I'm just getting these down. So we'll put sequins on. So no hexagons and no doodly lines, but we've got a stamped title. We've got an older cut file that, like I said, I will have linked. We've got a pocket card being used, and we'll put some sequins on. That's it. That's all she wrote. There. Okay, so those are down. So now we just need to scatter some sequins. This stuff used to stand up back here. Well, I did add more, I guess. And now it wants to droop over and get in my way of my filming, which is really annoying. Okay. Alright, so let's add some sequins and then we'll be done. So, Simple Story Saturday and Stash Smash. All good things. We're going to do some sequins in the center of these babies. Especially the sticker ones. Okay. And then we'll just do some kind of other places around. We'll let's do that for now. There. Now we just have some sequins sprinkled around. I'm going to write the date right here. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. We'll see you next time. And make sure you check out everybody else down below who's playing with Simple Story Saturday. And check out Rebecca's channel for sure for Stash Smash Saturday.